Welcome to the DIY McLeod channel. If this is your first time, check out my CNC and 3D printing videos. Today I'm going to be doing a review, an assembly, and unboxing of the G0925 drill press by Grizzly. I decided to start the video showing the finished assembly, drilling through some aluminum just to show you what we end up with. In this unboxing, I will say there is one important part to consider. There are two assembly guides. I tossed one to the side thinking it was a receipt, and that was a mistake. I show my mistake later in the video. So to start the assembly, all you really need to do is attach the column to the base with 3 bolts, and then you just slide on the table assembly that comes with it and lock that with the table lock handle to tighten that table assembly. Next, you're just going to put the headstock or the main action of the drill press onto the column. Try to line it up with the base as best as possible and tighten that set screw. You can always come back after and adjust the lineup if necessary. Alright, so next you just add on the handles there. There are 3 holes. Pretty self-explanatory, but while this is going on, let me explain where I made my mistake. So after putting on the handles, I went right to adding the chuck on. And this was a mistake because this model comes with a guard on the front, in front of the drill chuck. However, in the original assembly guide, it didn't have that. So by adding the drill chuck right away, I couldn't add that guard. I had to take off the chuck to add the guard back on. So I add the chuck before the guard with a 2x4 and a rubber mallet, realize my mistake. Then I have to remove the chuck with the rubber mallet and re-add in that guard because I was happy with the guard. I wanted a drill press with a guard, so I was happy with that. I just wasn't happy with my mistake. So remember, before you put on the chuck, you need to assemble and install that drill guard, so do that first. Go ahead and turn down the volume if your volume is loud because I'm about to run it and I don't want to disturb anybody, but I'm about to run the drill, so turn it down a little bit if your volume's loud. Going through a standard 2x4 was easy as could be expected. So next I went through a piece of 6061 aluminum with my titanium coated drill bits from DeWalt, and I took it a little slower, but it was really easy getting through that aluminum as well. I'm using this sheet because I made a mistake on my CNC with this aluminum sheet, so I just drilled through the mistake to give the drill press a try. So that first hole is without any cutting liquid. This hole I went with the aluminum cutting liquid because I'm going through a 1/3 of an inch piece of aluminum here and just giving the drill press a try, so I wanted to give it the best chance possible, and it went through extremely quick with light pressure, and I was really happy with it. These are new DeWalt titanium bits, so that could help. In the end, I couldn't be happier with my purchase. I'm really thrilled, and thank you for checking out the video. Remember, there are 2 guides. Read them before you start assembling it. Don't make the mistake I did. Check out my other videos.